Hello, I'm Cherish Rose with Simpson Math. In this video, I will be graphing all 7 parent functions in under 5 minutes. If you're going to make a good grade in college algebra, you need to be able to do this as well. The first function I'm going to graph is the linear function. We have points at 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, negative 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative 2. I'm going to connect my points and put arrows on the end. The next function we are going to be graphing is going to be the absolute value function. We have points at 0, 0. The absolute value of 1 is 1. The absolute value of 2 is 2. The absolute value of negative 1 is 1. The absolute value of negative 2 is 2. The third function I'm going to be graphing is the square root function. We have points at 0, 0. The square root of 1 is 1. The square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 9 is 3. And that's what our square root function looks like. The fourth function I'm going to be graphing is going to be the cube root function. We have a point at 0, 0. The cubed root of 1 is 1. The cubed root of 8 is 2. The cubed root of negative 1 is negative 1. The cubed root of negative 8 is negative 2. The fifth function I'm going to be graphing is my personal favorite, the quadratic function, where 0 squared is 0, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, negative 1 squared is 1, negative 2 squared is 4. The sixth function I will be graphing is the cubic function. We have a point at 0, 0. 1 cubed is 1. 2 cubed is 8. Negative 1 cubed is negative 1. Negative 2 cubed is negative 8. The seventh and final function I will be graphing is the rational function. Remember that we have an asymptote right here where x equals 0. So our line is going to come very, very close to where x equals 0 and also where y equals 0, but it's never going to touch. So we have a point at 1, 1, 2 and a half, and 2. We have another point at negative 1, negative 1, negative a half and 2, negative 2 and a half. And as you can see, our lines come very close to touching the x0 and the y0, but they never touch. And that is how you graph all 7 functions in under 5 minutes. Math Made Simple by Simpson Math. Thanks for watching.